Reach a new level. Want smoother handling and faster lap times in H2GP? Suspension clips are your secret weapon. These small plastic pieces adjust your car's ride height, giving you better grip and cornering stability. They're essential when adding a fuel cell and battery, which can make the ride height too low. Remember, a minimum clearance of 4mm is required for race day, so always double check before heading to the track. To use them, snap the clips into the shocks. For a flat track, lower the suspension for more speed. For bumpy surfaces or to meet the clearance requirement, raise it with the clips. And here's a pro tip. If you lose your clips, don't panic. You can use cable ties as a quick, effective substitute. Test, adjust, and race with confidence.